Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we'll look at how can we cut the paper without using scissors, right? The things that you will need would be some paper, craft paper, that's standard A4 size paper, then a ruler and then some thread, right, to cut the paper, right? Take another sheet of paper like this, right? And what you can do is that fold the paper in half. And fold it nicely. Right. Now what you can do is that take the ruler, okay, and keep it over here, and you can simply start pulling this paper, right? And if you see over here, see, we were able to cut the paper, right? This is the cut paper. It's not a clean cut, but you get that with practice. Now let's look at the third method to cut the paper, right? Again, you take this paper, you fold it into half, right? This is the third method to cut the paper. In this, what we're going to do is that this is very similar to the last method, right? We just make the crease over here, right? Instead, over here what we'll do is that we'll use our hands instead of the ruler, right? Just keep your hands like this firm on the table and try pulling the paper like this, and you would see that you're still able to tear the paper along the crease. See, this will look like a clean cut. Yep. So you'll have two sides of paper, these two, right? Now